The days are getting warmer and it's time to think about your AC needs, and I have here this commercial cool window AC, 8,000 BTUs. I had it installed here next to my desk so I don't get too warm because it gets warm here in the summer in New York. And it has this remote, and I actually installed here just this plastic thing to have the cool air go up, but that's absolutely optional. I just don't want it in my face because I work right here. So let's see how it works. As you can see, you can definitely hear it, but it's not making any weird sounds or extremely hard sound to be working through. There is an energy saver option, and you can set the temperature. So everything is controlled by the remote, but you can also use here to control everything. So the mode can switch between dry, fan is really quiet, auto, and cool. And then the fan here, when it's low, this is the amount of sound that comes out. And then there's a night sleep mode, there's a timer, temperature, and energy saver, and then that's the power button. As per cooling abilities, I've had that for 2 summers now, going into the 3rd summer, and it's been still cooling off a large space. This one goes up and down, and you can also kind of direct the wind right and left as well using these. And when you install it, there's this window extensions so that it fits well. The filter is easy to come out and clean here, and then put it back in there. Commercial cool window AC, 8,000 BTU. I give it a thumbs up.